I'll just go over the rest of these anyways. The next couple things that we learned, ladies and gentlemen, was to determine the x scale, the vertical transformation, and the phase shift. So these were the two things that you guys had to do on that on your review. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the x scale, remember, is when you take your period, 2 pi divided by b, and you divide it by 4. So in this case, I have pi over 5 divided by 4. So again, to do this, what we can do is multiply by the reciprocal. 1/4, 1/4. Any number multiplied by its reciprocal just multiplies the 1. So we're left with a final x scale of pi over 20. Now, if you guys remember the x scale, that's going to tell us all of our important characteristics of our sine graph. How far away the x-intercept is from the maximum point, from the minimum point to the next x-intercept, and so forth. Then the next thing is vertical transformation. Your vertical transformation is going to be your d. You guys look up here. Here, we don't have any d, right? We're not adding or subtracting anything, so there's none. There's no vertical transformation. We're not shifting our graph up or down at all. The phase shift, remember, to find the phase shift, we had to take bx minus c equal to 0. All right? Now, if there's not a c, you're not going to be shifting anything, and I'll show you why. So let's go and take our c, which is our what's in our function 10x equal to 0. So as I solve for 0, x equals 0. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we do not have any phase shift, OK? Which is obvious. You can see if there's not a c, then obviously there's no phase shift. But you always have to set it equal to 0 because it's not always going to be the value of c as long as you have a value for b. OK? Any questions? Cool. You didn't have to do the rest of this part. You just had to do the amplitude and period. So what I'd like you guys to do is